Hello everybody, I'm here today to install some sensors on my Jabiraca, which is my car. I got two sensors. They are basically exactly the same. The unit is exactly the same. It's just one they have more sensors and one less. I bought it the silver and one as a black, because actually this one I bought it long time before to install on my van, but I never done it. And I bought it this one to install in my car. But I realized on my car they got two sections on the bumper, original color as a silver bumper, and one part is a black. So I was thinking to put the black one on the black, no right in the bumper. I'm gonna check on my bumper and see which one is look more nice, and I will install one of them. I will do the installation. This one they got the sound built into it. Approach, they come to amber lights and then red and then beep 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 beep. And that one here they haven't got the sensor. They got only the noise. Beep, 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 beep. But anyway, because they are the same units, same name, same brand, I can, and they have the connection here. If I don't want to use only the noise, if I want to see on my dashboard on my car, I can put just anywhere up there. But I'm not thinking I'm gonna use this because I don't want anything like no, it doesn't look like original on the car. Maybe, I'm not too sure. So I will do the installation and see. Probably I will do only that one hiding inside the car on the boot, because I can just hear the noise beep 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 beep, more natural, let's say. Yeah. Here is the two units, basically exactly the same one. They got more, every kit they come with, so very simple, straight forward. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to the car and see how they gonna performance on the car, and from there we start to record it again. Yeah. So here now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark where I want to be the sensors. Like I said, I bought it silver, but I noticed I could fit it on here. Yeah. And I think here would be better to fit it than here. Next step is remove the light. So on my car, on my case, I need to remove those ones, one here and one down here, and connect those wires on the reverse light. So as soon as when I reverse the light, the sensors will start it to work, will switch on automatic. Doesn't matter if I will use that one or that one. That one I can fit it on the dashboard there on the top, or I can hide it somewhere here. And this sensor, same thing, I could hide it inside anywhere here. Actually there is something here, I don't know what's that. And drill it here, inside, down there, anywhere, or just leave it hanging around. Yeah, so let's see. First of all, I'm gonna test it before I drill it, and then check it under the bumper to see how I'm gonna bring it inside the wires. So come back to the video. I already set up, I did the line, I mark it, every single sensor where they would be to fit. So it's always better to try before you drill the holes, because in case if you did something wrong on the connections, or if the sensor is not working, at least you're not gonna drive with the holes. The reverse lamp is on, that means the reverse is on, and I done it the connections, and the sensors is already working. Because I'm a couple of steps backwards on my sensors, they're not gonna make any noise. So like I said, I'm using two sensors. I have two sensors, obviously, sorry, but I'm gonna use only one, and I decided to use the black down below on my bumper. So I'm not gonna drill on the bumper itself, I'm gonna drill on the plastic black surface. I'm gonna use the black sensor, so it's gonna be covered up, let's say. As soon as I approach it, look, yeah, works, look. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4 from my car. So they work really nice. Look, if I go to the on this one here, so it's that sensor, all the sensors. Look, if I go on this one, look, if I go to the side, if I put my finger there, oh, straight. Try another one. Oh, works. Another one. Works. Another one. Works. So all of them work. So I'm using just the Siren. So if I disconnected that one and I plug it this one here, which is different type of sensor, look, this one, as I said, you can put on your dashboard in front of your car down there somewhere. There, look, 0, look what shows on the screen. That's mean they go to red, look. Green, when I approach, look, it's already shows in the red light. Oh, look, green, yellow, amber light, and then red lights. That means I'm very close. So all works is spot on, so I'm gonna drill the holes and we continue from that. Right. So all the sensors is working. Yeah, well done. Another thing I forgot to mention is how you do your connections. So black wire with black wire, and on my car the positive wire I found out on the last wire. So what I did, I did the connection, first of all the black wire, and then one by one I was trying connecting inside and out. So you switch the reverse light on and plug the black wire, and then you can try each of them one by one until you find out which ones is for you to do your connection. In my case is that one here, but I'm using only one hand. Yeah, you see, so it's that one. So you find it, so now you know, and then you connect it from the back with the proper connections, or you can solder the wire or connect it from here, doesn't matter. Then it's up to you. You can rip the wire and after use the wire tape, depends how you're gonna do your work. Another thing, I was looking where I will pass the wire through, so it's always better to check before you drill the holes as well. I was figuring it out to drill a hole here and then after cover with the silicone, but I was let's see behind this panel here, and I found it. There is the wires which comes from the batteries, from the front, they comes from here underneath of the car. So I check from here, let's go there, and it's right there, can you see? So this is a rubber sealing. So what I'm gonna do, take the cutter and drill a little bit hole here on the rubber and pass through all the wires here. I already take here as well. So here where I'm gonna tie it with zip tie the wires from all the way from the other side here, look. So that is nice and tight, would be here, and then all the way through here from this side, and then they go inside the car from there. Yeah, there is a lot space here for me to wrap the wire. I even put this one here to see where I could pass the wire. So all possibility is better to find. So, and then here I hook the wires here and pass through there, would be spot on. Yeah. The fitting is perfect after you use anything to remove the excess left from the drilling, because it's a plastic. So that's why when you're drilling you have to do very slow to don't melt it too much, the bumper. After you remove all this, you can see the fitting is perfect in all of them. The fitting is really perfect after you remove little bit those excess. Yes, look, little bit, remove them, use your nails, everything, and everything would work perfect. The fitting. To connect the wires, I'm not ripping the wires, I'm using this type of connectors which you put the wire without peeling off anything. So you just slide the wire inside, and afterwards you just take the calipers and press that metal bit, so the metal will slot inside the wire, and it's like connections, and would work. So it's perfect. This is perfect joint connections. All cables are hooked on, A, B, C, D. So it's A on the left, B is on the left, and C and D on the right sensors. This is the siren which makes the noise, and here is the reverse light which is connected from there. Now I'm gonna hook inside, put everything back in place, and finish.